All things bright and beautiful, all cultured and small, all things wise and wonderful. The Lord, God beauty. Its little flowers that open. Its little birds that sing. He made their glowing colors. He made their tiny. The purple-headed mountain, the river running by, the morning and the sunset that lighted up in the sky. He give us eyes to see them, my lips that we might tell. How great is God our Father, who do all things well.
Wow, ano ba?